Hi everyone, today I've partnered with Interwood to answer your most frequently asked questions when it comes to bedroom design and decor. The bedroom, I feel, is one of the most important sections of our homes. It is probably the place you work, take a little time out for yourself, and rest at the end of the day. Since we end up spending more than one third of our time in our bedrooms, I think it is very important to give a lot of thought of how you design your bedroom. This session will be especially useful to newly married couples, to people who are renovating their bedrooms, and also people who have moved into a new space. Today I will be covering not only the FAQs, but also giving you my top picks from the Interwood Furniture Line 2020. The first thing you need to do is choose a theme for your room. A theme is basically the look and feel of a space. The two broad categories when it comes to style is traditional and contemporary. You can further classify these into mid-century, modern, minimalist, industrial, Scandinavian, boho. And once you've chosen your style, it'll make designing your bedroom much easier. So normally a bedroom would comprise of a bed, two side tables, a dresser or a console, either a mirror on top of the dresser or then a full-length mirror, and then a rug to center the room. However, if you have additional space, then you can add a TV console. You can add a small bench in front of your bed. You can also incorporate a seating area with either an armchair or then a two-seater sofa with a small table. A further design element could be a shelf for your books and decor. So this is one of the most frequently asked questions I get when designing a bedroom. And I would say, first identify the amount of space that you have. If you have a large bedroom, then definitely go for a king size bed. However, if you have a smaller space, then opt for a queen size bed. Now coming to the design of the bed, since there's so many options out there, which one do you go for? So this comes back to your style. If you are looking for a very simple minimalistic design, I would suggest go for a wooden headboard. However, if you are looking for something traditional, a little bit more extravagant, I would suggest go for a four-poster design. And if you like a contemporary look, then the tufted headboard is for you. Now coming to the color of the wood, this is another question that I receive. Which shade of polish should we be going for? So again, if you're looking for a traditional look, I would opt for a medium or a dark polish. But if you are looking for a more contemporary look, then definitely go for a lighter shade of polish or then a white matte finish. The best way to accessorize the room would be to bring in color and texture. You can do this in the form of artwork, a rug, cushions, lamps, and decor pieces. The typical layout of a bedroom should be simple yet elegant. However, I feel there should be a focal point. That can be in the form of a feature wall. This could be the wall behind your bed or the one with the TV and the console. If you have the space, I would definitely suggest to go for a conversation area with a two-seater sofa and a coffee table, or a reading nook with a shelf and a really comfy armchair. As promised, here are my top picks from the Interwood Furniture Collection 2020. Starting off with bed designs. The Ripple bed. With this classic headboard design, will never go out of style. It fits perfectly as a traditional yet minimalistic piece. If you're looking for something unique, with maybe a mid-century vibe, then this four-poster bed is the right look for you. For a more contemporary look, I would opt for this textured, tufted headboard design. And lastly, I think I've always had a soft spot for matte white polished furniture, and this simple yet sleek bed is something I would definitely go for. Now coming to the dresser and console table. This beautiful vintage chest of drawers in a yellow chalk finish instantly caught my eye. It can be used as is or then paired with a mirror or an interesting piece of art. I also love the matte grey Bianca dresser. It's a perfect blend of old and new and would fit in any bedroom. This beautiful two-tone table is a perfect example of classic vintage and is a piece that has a lot of character. Lastly, I think you can't really go wrong with a classic white chest of drawers. I think Interwood is a one-stop solution for all your furniture needs. Though I have focused more on bedroom furniture today, there is so much more that they offer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.